Before we get started here, I just wanted to let the YouTube algorithm know that I am a fully licensed medical grower in Canada, where it is fully legal. I have paperwork to back it up. Everything I do is 100% within the law of my country. And this is for documentation and entertainment purposes only.
It's cold out here. Hi everybody, CANNABEARD grows here. How the heck are you doing? I hope you're well. It's been cold. Greenhouse. I've been pushing this plant here behind me as far as I possibly can. It's been below zero a couple nights in a row, and it's only going to get worse. We might even see snow next week, so I'm going to cut this thing down. I could maybe push it another couple of days, maybe another half a week or something, but let's have a look at it and see what it looks like. It is what it is, so let's go take a look. So here we go. It's definitely producing some pretty wild colors, man. Very, very, very purple buds, while all the leaves have gone this yellow with purple stripes on them. Pretty much everything else has gone yellow on the plant. It's cold out here, man. The buds are okay. They're not amazing. We don't got huge nugs all over the place. They're good looking buds, but there's only, only so many of them. I did use this MARSHYDRO light. This is the SP3000 Greenhouse Edition, and you can use my name right here as a code. Save yourself a couple of bucks on any of the MARSHYDRO products they offer. I did have that hanging up just because, as you can see, it's pretty gloomy out and not a lot of light, so I figured it was something that maybe would help finish this off here in the last few minutes. She's pretty tall. It's a good looking plant, I suppose, but yeah, we gotta do something about this. We gotta cut it down, harvest it. Like I said, I would like to push it further. It's not totally done and fat yet, but I just can't push it any further, man. I don't know why, but photo periods, I have a hard time with photo periods outside. It just doesn't want to ripen on time. It wants to be weird. I don't know. Maybe I need to find some more climate-friendly strains from locals. I've had locals trying to give me clones in the years past, and I've declined them, so yeah, maybe I should accept them. Yeah, so we'll see about that moving forward. So yeah, let's cut this bitch down. And real quick, before we harvest that, let's take a look at the rest of this stuff.
Holy Jesus! What is that? What the fuck is that?
What a weird looking plant. Yeah, this one obviously did not love life. It is very strange. I pulled it. I ain't gonna smoke it or nothing. Looks like some bugs got at it a little bit in a couple of spots. Looks all right. I see what looks to be maybe a little bit of powdery mildew there on the one leaf or something. I don't know. I ain't smoking it. It's just gonna go in the freaking compost pile. Shame, shame. And I pulled all of this watering system up, and I'm gonna disassemble it and fold it up gently and put it all away for a rainy day. I will try again another year, potentially. Maybe this is something I need to do. I don't know. Maybe it's something I don't need to do. Maybe I just need to sell this system. I don't know. I'm frustrated with it. That's all I can say right now. But it's all pulled up for the winter so that it doesn't freeze up in there and get damaged or anything. So I'm going to put it all away here soon.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Look at this bastard. It would have, you can tell that it would have been a beautifully frosty plant had it grown properly, right? But look at what we got. We got this spindly little thing here. I'm just kind of leaving it outside here. I have no intention of really harvesting it, honestly, because there's just kind of nothing there, really. I might get a joint or two. I don't know. I might cut it down and hang it anyway, just to see if it has any flavor, but stupid hash church plant. Other people have had success, but not me. I have tried to grow that multiple times with absolutely no success. So anyway, here we are. Let's harvest this thing. Okay, there we go. I cut it all down. Oh, yeah, I'll get that out later. That's going to be quite a root for sure. Marigolds are looking good. I'll feed all that to the chickens. It's really good for their egg health and such. But there we go. I got the plant cut into 4 big chunks, and I'll take these racks and I'll put them into my dry tent down in the basement. By the way, I use these things called dry flower racks. My discount code is DRYBEARD right here. I'll leave links in the description below for these guys as well. If you ever want a good modular rack system for hanging all your plants, man, I'm a big fan of these things. Anyway, I got a rack system in the basement. These actually clip right into where right now they're just sort of balancing precariously up there. So let's go put them in the basement. Well, there we go. They're all into the drying tent. I've got some controls on this thing and some humidifiers and stuff so I can keep it as close to what I want as possible. Kitty cat, how's it going? Yeah, so there we go. The total will be just in a couple of seconds for you guys. It's gonna be a couple of weeks for me, 2 weeks for me almost, but I'll do it up right now for you guys right here. Here's the totals.
2 weeks later.
Okay. First off, I kind of lost track of time, and these have been drying for longer than it should have been. It's been about 2 weeks. I definitely forgot about it for a couple of days, and then just it hit me like, oh crap, I gotta do that thing. And looking at the conditions in there right now, a 70 and a 45 humidity is telling me that it's pretty over dried, but we'll do what we can with it. I gotta lop it all off the stalks, and then we'll get ready to de-leaf it. I'll show you how I do that in no time at all. I don't spend no time in trim jail, baby. Now this is the trim from the bottom section. As you can see, there is a lot of dark purple buds in here mixed in with the leaf and the twigs and stuff. This is gonna have to be turned into some sort of an edible. This is too good to waste or anything. There's just too much small bud breakdown in all this. I can also sift it a bunch in here for some keef at the bottom, but yeah, I'll probably turn this into some edibles or something, because that's potent stuff. Don't want to throw that away. Okay, now for the bud, I took a little peek in here, and I could probably shake it around a bit more, but at this point I kind of need to hand trim this last bit. It's just gonna destroy the bud too far. I didn't do a very good job of cleaning it up beforehand, So there's a lot of after work I'm going to have to do. Not a lot, but just a little bit. You know, you break those off like that, and there you go. That's pretty much a cleaned bud. And there's, you know, a bunch of these in here that need just a very little tiny bit of hand work like this, just to sort of get the rest of that, those crow's feet or whatever you call them, that are hanging on there. But past that, you know, I'd say the system did a good job regardless. Come on, focus. There we go. You know, like I said, the trim that I've got is going to be potent with lots of little broken buds, but it is what it is. It's the price you pay for saving a lot of time. Like, it's going to take me about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes at most to clean up the rest of this, and I'll have a whole bunch of nice, clean, what is this? Peanut butter breath. Peanut butter breath that I grew outside. It did okay. It smells amazing, and I love the strain, and the purple nature from the fall is very, very pretty. Anyway, let me finish cleaning this up, and then I'll get a weight in here on the bud and see how much bud we got. So yeah, let's just flip right over directly to that. Okay, there we go. I've separated all the leaf and put it in with the rest of the trim where it belongs, and then there's the bud. It's actually not a lot to look at when you look at it like this, and it's pretty dry, so I don't expect a lot of weight. I definitely over dried this batch, but honestly, I don't really care. As the aspect, I'm going to make it into BHO, and if I want some actual shatter rather than like more of a saucy kind of goopy thing, if I want something a little more touchable, a little more shatter-like and dry, you want drier cannabis. You want super dry cannabis to start with. So it's not the end of the world. It's not a bad thing. It's just the way it is.
And this peanut butter breath photo period plant came from Coastal Mary Seeds. You can use my name as a code, CANNABEARD25. That's 25, and yes, that's 25% off. You're gonna have to Google them, but you'll be happy you did.
Beautiful colors, though. Okay, let's find out how much it weighs. Okay, here we go. The bag weighed 14 grams to start with, which was quite a lot, to be honest, but there we go. 120, so 106. Is that right? Is that my math right? 106 grams? Something like that. Not bad, not bad. Outdoor, could have gotten a lot more. I should have gotten closer. I should have gotten like a bunch more, but it is what it is. Anyway, there we go. Well, that's about all I got for the outdoor grow this year. There's no more growing much this year, as you can see behind me. Anyway, yeah, like the video, subscribe, let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you want to see me smoke this stuff, I'll be smoking it live on Sunday session, this coming Sunday session. I'll make some concentrates over the week here, and yeah, I'll see you for the next live stream. We'll be able to check it out. What's 12 o'clock noon, it's a new time, 12 o'clock noon Pacific Standard Time every single Sunday on Twitch and YouTube. So you can view on either platform or both if you want. Thank you very much. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys soon.